In this video, I will show you how to create a Polymarket account. To do this, simply go and open up the Polymarket app or website, and from there go and click on sign up. Now here you have a few options. You can continue with Google, you can enter an email address, or you can continue directly with your crypto wallet, where it will then also directly be connected, so that can be helpful. But for this example, I'll just continue with Google. Now after doing that, you can then choose a username which you can update later. So just enter the username that you want to set for your account. Then you need to agree to the terms of use, and you can select if you want to receive important market and product updates or not. Then continue. Now from here you can fund your account, so you can click deposit funds or skip for now. And now you can see I have created my account. So now you know how to create a Polymarket account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.